In figure 6.16, if x plus y is equal to w plus z, then prove that AOB is a line. Okay. From the figure, what they have given that x plus y equal to w plus z. Let it be equation 1. From the figure, we can note the angles. Angle AOC, angle AOC equal to y, angle COB equal to x, angle BOD equal to W, angle DOA equal to Z. Here it is a complete the circle. Okay. From this, we know that when it is complete, angle AOC plus angle COB plus angle BOD plus angle DOA equal to 360 degrees. Why? Because when we can start the point and one complete the circle, one rotation is completed, one, and again we can end with that point only. So starting point and ending point is same, then it makes a circle. The circle means the circle angle is 360 degrees. Why? Because it's a total one rotation is the 360 degrees. We know that one means it's a rotation. That is the complete circle, 360 degrees. And given that from the figure, we can write angle AOC equal to y plus angle COB equal to x plus angle BOD equal to w plus angle DOA equal to z equal to 360 degrees. We know that x plus y equal to w plus z. We can write it as w plus z is equal to x plus y or x plus y equal to w plus z. I am taking the placing of w plus z equal to right x plus y. It is y plus x plus y is equal to 360 degrees. Why? Because since from the equation 1. Okay. Here 2x and 2y, that is 2 into x plus y equal to 360 degrees. From this, x plus y is equal to 360 degrees by 2, that is equal to 108 degrees. 180 degrees means we know that from the figure, x and y are the two adjacent angles. When the sum of two adjacent angles is supplementary, then it makes a straight line. And straight line means the sum of two adjacent angles is supplementary. That is nothing but from the linear pair, of the condition AOB is a straight line. Is the solution. In figure 6.17, POQ is a line, OR is a ray, it is perpendicular to PQ line, and OS is another ray that is lying between rays OP and OR, OP and OR. Okay, prove that angle ROS is equal to 1 by 2 of angle QOS minus angle POS. Okay. Here, first of all, we can note it down what they have given. Given that POQ is a line.
Sashma.
Given that PQ is a line, OR is perpendicular to line PQ. That is nothing but angle ROQ equal to 90 degrees. And from this, POQ is a line, angle POR and angle ROQ are adjacent angles. So angle POR plus angle ROQ equal to 180 degrees. From this, angle POR is equal to 180 degrees minus angle ROQ equal to 90 degrees. That is 180 degrees minus 90 degrees equal to 90 degrees. So here we know that angle POR is also 90 degrees from the figure. This is also 90 degrees, okay? And what we can prove that here OS is another ray lying between, given that OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. What we can prove that? To prove that angle ROS equal to 1 by 2 angle QOS minus angle POS. Here, first of all, we can write angle QOS equal to, from the figure, angle QOS is equal to angle SOR plus angle ROQ. That is equal to, that is the equation 1. Next, from this, POR is equal, angle ROS equal to, or the angle POR is equal to angle POS plus angle SOR or ROS. Okay, here we know that since POR is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, ROQ is also 90 degrees. Angle ROQ and angle POR both will same. So we can substitute this is equation 2. Subtract from 1 and 2, 1 minus 2. From this, we can write it as it is minus, it is minus, it is minus. Angle SOR minus angle SOR get cancelled. Angle QOS minus angle POR equal to angle ROQ minus angle POS. Okay. Here we can add, don't subtract, here we can add two equations, 1 plus angle QOS plus angle POR equal to angle ROQ plus angle POS plus angle 2 SOR or ROS. Here we know that angle POR and angle ROQ both are 90 degrees and both should be equal. These two are get cancelled. Why? Because angle POR equal to angle ROQ equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Then from this angle QOS minus angle POS equal to 2 angle SOR. From this angle SOR equal to 1 by 2 into angle QOS minus angle POS. It is the proof. Here QOS equal to, we can write it as QOS equal to SOR plus ROQ. ROP equal to ROS plus SOP. So here POS or SOP, ROQ and POR both are 90-90. Those will get cancelled. After adding, we are getting 2. Sixth problem. It is given that angle XYZ equal to 64 degrees. XY is produced to point P. Draw a figure from the given information. The ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. Find XYQ and reflects QYP. Here, first we can take the X, Y, Z. XY is a one ray, YZ is the another ray, making angle at Y is 64 degrees. And this XY line is produces to P point. This is a P point, okay, point P. Draw a figure from the given information if ray YQ, this is the YQ, bisects. Bisects means these two are same angles. Then find out XYQ, find out this. And another one, angle QYP, reflection angle. That is nothing but it's total we should find out, reflection angle. Okay, that is nothing but we subtract 360 minus angle QYP. That is the reflex of QYP. Now we can take what they have given. Given that angle XYZ is equal to 64 degrees. And take XY line is produced to point P. And draw YQ line or YQ ray, not line, YQ ray bisects angle ZYP. That is nothing but angle ZYQ equal to angle QYP. Both should be some X degrees. Okay. Here, what we can prove that XYQ and the reflex of QYP angles. Here we know that XP is a line, angle POZ and angle XYZ or adjacent angles. So angle POZ plus angle XYZ equal to 180 degrees. From this angle POZ, they have given angle XYZ equal to 64 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Angle POZ is equal, sorry, PYZ, not O. Here PYZ PYZ equal to 180 degrees minus 64 degrees. It is equal to 116 degrees. Here, PYZ can be written as PYQ, angle PYQ plus angle QYZ. We are taking angle QYZ or ZYQ and QYZ or PYQ, both will be X degrees. X degrees from this angle PYZ equal to 116 degrees equal to angle PYQ or QYP, both are same, X degrees. Here ZYQ, and we can write it as QYP plus angle ZYQ. X degrees. From this, 2x degrees equal to 116 degrees. X degrees equal to 116 degrees by 2, it is equal to 58 degrees. So this is 58 degrees, this is 58 degrees. Now we can find out angle XYQ. To find angle XYQ equal to angle QYZ plus angle XYZ. That is equal to angle QYZ is X degrees. So that is 58 degrees plus XYZ is 64 degrees. Adding these 122 degrees. 8 plus 4 is 12, 6 plus 6, 122 degrees. So XYQ equal to 122 degrees. This is the first question. Next, reflex of QYP. Reflex of angle QYP, that is equal to 360 degrees minus angle QYP. Angle QYP equal to how much? So QYP is X degrees. From this, here write angle QYP equal to 54 degrees. Angle QYZ is also 54 degrees. Okay, here we can subtract 54 degrees from 360 degrees. It is equal to 354 or 58, 58 degrees. It's not 54, 58 degrees. This is 58 degrees. X degrees equal to 58 degrees. So 360 degrees minus 58 degrees is equal to 302 degrees. Therefore, angle QYP equal to angle QYZ equal to 58 degrees. We found this one. And angle XYQ equal to 122 degrees. Next, reflex of angle QYP equal to 302 degrees.